Couple of huge repairs. Just had a new valve put in and an elbow, but I got a hole. So I gotta do some work. Install this bad boy. It's the way to go. This thing here just slides on over. Spring comes out. Then you got a ready-made repair there. You can access the valve, which was previously buried in the wall, drywalled over. Not supposed to do that. Now, this is very complicated here. So pay attention. Hang on to your butts. Take this deal here. See how she slides there with the gizmo. Take it. You put the two tangs in a proper spot. I'm thinking maybe there. Possibly put the tangs over here. They ain't gonna fit like that. So she's a square. We're just gonna take this slider down. There she blows. We're actually gonna do a quick modification. Do the two tangs on top. See if that looks better there. It does not. Call that good. Bing bong. Ding dong. That'll be $500. Paintable. You want to paint it? The other problem here, I don't know if you can hear, but the turlet's running. Cut the water off, and when they turn it back on, I think they blew out my fluid master. So normally when you lift this up here, you're supposed to cut the water out. But as you can see, she's still spewing. So I'm thinking that when they turn the water on, full tilt, they blew this out because she's not shutting down. So I got one of these bad dogs. About a $9 job. I don't think there's any tools I need. I'm just gonna have to cut this off. That's where she screws in. And give her a flush. It's fresh water, that ain't caca water. Like to have a little deal here to catch the drippings. And see what we can do. Actually might need a wrench there. Okay. Got the channel axe here. Nothing crazy. Just need to loosen her a bit. This is where she's gonna spew out. This ain't caca water. So you wanna try to grab a gizmo there to catch the water. Maybe a pan, maybe a bowl, maybe a coffee can. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this here. Just like that. Nothing to it. We'll see what the new one's got. Do a side by side here. This comes out for your length. You unscrew it. Supposed to come out. There we go. Get your height lined up. There's one difference there. There's white in there. I'm going to reuse the rubber. Okay, the old one, here's the new one, there's the nut. And then she goes. Right there, that's our landing zone. Just like so. that's a problem there. It's hitting the side. Never easy. See if we can use the old one. And the old one works. See, the new one, the tang was hitting the side of the tank, which I guess I could have broke off. Give it a nothing crazy. Yeah. Go ahead and clip her on here. It's a clip on. And we're going to go real slow, nice and easy. Okay, so we're full tilt. She's spewing. Dribble drabbles. Moment of truth. See that? She's not making a peep. Adios. Just like that. Couple of repairs on the turlet. No problemo.